Hello dear friends, today we will make watermelon salad. It's a recipe very similar to the Greek salad. I have an easy way to peel our watermelon. Watch me. We cut this side and this side. And then in the half. We cut it in a big slices. We cut this side and we see our piece. It's very clear from seeds. And now, very close, we take this part. It's the heart with the whole seeds. And now we have a very clear piece of watermelon. Look at this. When our slices are ready, we cut it in a small pieces. For 4 people, we will need 1 kilo of peeled watermelon, and then we'll take a mixing bowl and we put inside the next ingredients. We mix it very well. We take a plate and we will serve. Okay, I will take some fresh rocket. I will put on the top, few olive oil. It's time to try.